Purple pan. Purple, great job. Purple, nicely done. Red vine. Green vine. Red strawberry. Red pomegranate. Purple, great job. Green, super. Green, nicely done. Wow! So many bunnies! Let's gather the identical ones together. Fish. Tap on a funny fish. Put them in a bag. The tag will tell you who to look for. Eggplant. 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 Well done! Let's play again. Egg, 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 brilliant! You did that really well! Oh, I'm really hungry. Let's make a pizza. Move the rolling pin up and down to roll the dough. And now let's put different toppings on the pizza. Drag the ingredients from the tray to the matching silhouettes on the pizza. Cool! Great! Oh, it looks delicious! Cool! Hooray! The pizza's ready! Let's slice it! Run your fingers along the dotted lines. The funnies want to play with you. So can you guess who's hiding in the picture? Scroll the picture to the right and to the left to select the right parts. Watermelon. Hooray! You did it! Mushroom. Correct! Apple. Well done! Great!